Hello and very good morning to all of you. So before we begin the third and last type of two columnar cash book, that is bank and discount column, let me give you some homework for your practice. Earlier we have completed example number 3, okay, cash and bank columnar. Now example 4 is again a cash and bank columnar cash book, that is for your practice. You all are requested and you all are advised to practice this sum also, okay, because both are example 3 and 4, both are similar in nature as far as the table is concerned. You may find one or two transactions difficult in this example, that you can consult with me, you can ask me, or you can wait for two more lecture, because in 3 columnar cash book what we will discuss or practice later on, આમાં જે ડિફિકલ્ટીઝ છે એ ટાઈપના ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ એની અંદર આવશે, બરાબર છે. સો આ એક પ્રેક્ટિસ તમે કરી નાખજો, એટલે એવું નથી તમને સોલ્વ કરાવતો. નાઉ વી ગો ટુ થર્ડ ટુ કોલમર ટાઈપ ઓફ કેશ બુક, દેટ ઇઝ કેશ એન્ડ bank and discount columnar. So from the title itself you can see that the two column will be bank column and discount column. So in this type of cash book, bank column and discount columns are kept when payment is made through check and discount is received, or when amount is received by check and the discount is allowed. To record such discount and bank transactions, bank and discount columnar cash book is prepared. As bank is person, only the rule of personal will be applicable to the bank column, that is debit the receiver, credit the giver. So bank receive કરે તો debit side, bank માં payment થાય તો credit side, બરાબર. As discount is income or expense, rule of nominal account is applicable, that is if it is expense we have to debit it, if it is income we have to credit it. See, this type of cash book is normally prepared when most of transactions are made through check. At the end of given period, the cash book is closed and the closing bank balance or overdraft is worked out. On the debit side of cash book, discount allowed, and on the credit side of cash book, discount received are recorded. So as far as the specimen is concerned, you can see there is no much of change here. The only change is તમારે ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ અલાઉડ એન્ડ બેંક, આ બે કોલમ તમારે રાખવાની, ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ રિસીવ્ડ એન્ડ બેંક. The rest of columns are similar to example number 3, 4 ની, તો 1, 2, 3 બધામાં સેમ જ કોલમ્સ છે, ઓકે. ચલો, તો let us practice example number 5 to get better idea. Example number 5, okay. From the following transactions, prepare bank and discount columnar cash book. જો એને કહેવાય તો cash book જ તે, in the books of સુરેશ સ્ટોર્સ, ઓકે. તો તમારે આ પેજમાં ટેબલ બનાવી નાખો, that cash book of Suresh store, number of column will be 6 on both side, that is debit side 6 column, credit side 6 column, બરાબર. date, particular, receipt number, LF, discount allowed and bank, discount received and bank, ઓકે. એકદમ પરફેક્ટ ટેબલ બનાવી અને પછી તમે સમજવાની ટ્રાય કરો. તો વી બિગિન વિથ ફર્સ્ટ ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ. તો 2015 June 1st, bank overdraft. Now friends, if you remember earlier I had explained in bank there are two possibilities, either there is bank balance or there is overdraft. If it is bank balance, we have to record it on receipt side, but if it is bank overdraft, then we have to record it on payment side. તો અહીંયા bank overdraft which indicate a negative balance. So payment side ઉપર તમે જો સમ સ્ટાર્ટ કર્યો તો payment side ઉપર date 1 by balance brought forward અને બેંકના કોલમમાં 12,000. તો overdraft બી બેલેન્સ જ કહેવાય, but it is a negative balance. Okay, so bank balance or bank overdraft, you have to be very much particular here. If it is bank balance, then it is recorded on debit side, બરાબર. અને overdraft છે તો ક્રેડિટ સાઇડ, એટલે કે પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ ઉપર તમારે રેકોર્ડ કરવાનું, ઓકે. ચલો, સો date 7, goods of 9,000 sold to Nila at 10% trade discount. Neela gave a check after deducting discount which is deposited in bank. So again you be very particular. Here it is given trade discount. The trade discount is only calculated and deducted, it's not recorded anywhere. So 9,000 minus 900. So 8100 no check आपने received थयो which is deposited in bank. So that means it is a receipt. तो receipt side ऊपर तमे जो date 7 to sales 8100 in bank column. So that discount is trade discount, so it won't be recorded in discount column. But instead of trade discount, for example, if it is mentioned that at 10% cash discount, then you have to record that 900 in discount column. Then if it is cash discount. Date 14. Check of 5,000 issued, okay, to Naina in full settlement of account of 5,050. So 5,050 was payable and we issued check of 5,000. That means 50 rupees discount we are earning, we are receiving discount, we are paying less. So payment side when we record, okay, this transaction, so how we will record as the money is paid. So payment side by Naina, okay, in discount received column 50 rupees and in bank column 5,000 rupees. This is how we have to record discount received on payment side. Means when we are paying money, discount is received. Okay. So next transaction, commission of 1100 paid by check. Now as it is paid, that means payment side upar. So payment side upar tame juo ke by commission account and amount column 1100 rupees, that is in bank column. Here there is no discount. Okay. Next 20. Vipul has given a check of 11,000 towards amount of 11,125 in full settlement of account. Now here Vipul has given a check, that means he has given check to us. Okay. In a payable, that means it was our receivable. So 125 we are receiving less, that is considered as discount allowed from our side. So receipt side when we record this transaction as money is received, date 20 to Vipul because Vipul is giver, and discount allowed 125 and in bank column 11,000 is to be written. Okay. चलो પછી date 23. Okay. Goods of 4,000 sold to Chandulal at 10% trade discount, 10% cash discount. Chandulal made the payment immediately by check. Check is deposited in bank. So here there are both discount. So first we will deduct trade discount from 4,000. 10% 400 minus करो तो 3600 નો ગુડ સેલ કર્યો. એમાંથી 360 10% cash discount minus करो तो 3240 check received થયો હશે. Now this 400 trade discount is not to be recorded anywhere, but cash discount of course it is recorded as we are receiving money. That means we have allowed a discount. So receipt side ઉપર તમે જો two sales 360 cash discount and 3240 in bank column. Okay friends. 26. 1800 paid to Devanshi by check. We have paid money, so payment side by Devanshi 1800 in bank column. Now 28. Check issued by Vipul is dishonored. तो વિપુલે જે ચેક ઇસ્યુ કર્યો બરાબર એ ડિસઓનર થયું. તો અર્લિયર વી હેવ ડિપોઝિટેડ ધ ચેક ઓફ વિપુલ ઇન ધ બેંક. તો હવે એ ડિસઓનર્ડ થયો. તો ડિસઓનર થયાનો મતલબ આપણે બેંક બેલેન્સ જે ઇન્ક્રીઝ કરી હતી આપણે ડિક્રીઝ કરી નાખવી પડે. સો પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ ડેટ 28 બાય વિપુલ 11,000 in bank column. Okay, opposite effect we have to give. When we received check, at that time we have recorded on receipt side in bank column. Now if the check is dishonored of check means bounce થયો બરાબર, એના અકાઉન્ટમાં બેલેન્સ ન હોય એટલે ચેક બાઉન્સ થયો. તો we have to reduce our bank balance. So on payment side it is recorded in bank column. બટ રિમેમ્બર દેટ ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ 125 છે એની ઇફેક્ટ અહીંયા ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ રિસીવ્ડ તરીકે નહીં આવે. દેટ ઇઝ ટુ બી રેકોર્ડેડ સેપરેટલી ઇન જર્નલ પ્રોપર. Okay, so this is how we have to record the transaction. At the end, how to work out the balance. So in discount allowed, total is 485. Discount received, total is 50 rupees. Barabar? So discount allowed and discount received, just we have to do the totaling, nothing else. In bank, you will observe which side is greater, where debit side is greater or credit side. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 આ બધાનો ટોટલ કરો 30,900 અને અહીંયા 3 ટ્રાન્ઝેક્શન્સ છે એનું ટોટલ કરો તો દેટ ઇઝ કમિંગ લેસ દેન ધીસ. દેટ મીન્સ પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ ઇઝ ગ્રેટર. તો ઇફ પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ ઇઝ ગ્રેટર તો ફર્સ્ટ વી વિલ ડુ ધ ટોટલ ઓફ પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ 30,900. ફ્રોમ ધીસ ટોટલ વી વિલ રાઇટ હિયર 30,900 સેમ ટોટલ. પેમેન્ટ સાઇડ જે છે ટોટલ સેમ ટોટલ. નાઉ ફ્રોમ ધીસ 30,900 we will deduct this 3 figure. બરાબર? તો એ 3 ફિગર તમે ડિડક્ટ કરો તો એટ ધી એન્ડ તમને બેલેન્સ મળે 8560. દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ ક્લોઝિંગ ઓવરડ્રાફ્ટ ઇન બેંક. ઓકે, આને શું કહેવાય? ક્લોઝિંગ ઓવરડ્રાફ્ટ. સો ધીસ બેલેન્સ વિલ બી કેરી ફોરવર્ડેડ ટુ નેક્સ્ટ મંથ, દેટ ઇઝ જુલાઈની અંદર. તો શું લખવાનું જુઓ, ટુ બેલેન્સ CM is carry forward 8560. And this will be the opening overdraft next day, that is 1st July, by balance brought forward 8560. Okay, so this is how to practice 2 columnar cash book with bank and discount column. In next video we will discuss how to prepare 3 columnar cash book. Okay friends, so thank you very much.